Do you need any more natural disaster? It is the time for rethinking on EIA Draft 2020. Environment Impact Assessment or EIA is the process of study which predicts the effects of proposed industrial project on the environment. It comes under the Environment Protection Act of 1986. EIA includes projects such as mining of coal and other minerals, infrastructure development, thermal, nuclear and hydropower projects, and other industrial projects. It helps to prevent the proposed project from being approved without proper oversight or taking adverse consequences into account. It compares various alternatives for a project and also identifies the best one with a minimal impact on environment and economical benefits. EIA is a formal process around 100 countries in the world. EIA is introduced into action in India in 1994. Now, here comes the subject. The central government introduced EIA Draft 2020. Why is India's new EIA draft is become controversial? Is it problematic? The changes in EIA Draft 2020 includes the following. It allows post facto clearance. It gives the permission to any projects without environment clearance could start their operations. Any government project which categorized as strategic project excluded from EIA. If a project categorized as strategic, then no information regarding that project is released for public. Construction projects up to 150,000 square meter are excluded from Environment Impact Assessment. Also, all national highway projects are excluded from EIA 2020. The major problematic change is that violations can only be reported by government officials, not by any of the citizens of this country. Any project causing environmental impact is presented to public hearing in the earlier Environment Impact Assessment. EIA Draft 1994 gives 30 days of public consultation. But the new EIA Draft 2020 reduced this into 20 days. The recent incidents such as explosion in Oil India Limited Assam and gas leak at LG Polymer Plant Visakhapatnam proves the importance of EIA in our country. So we, the citizen of India, should rethink on this. Did you want any more earthquakes or floods? So it is the time. The public feedback window for new EIA draft ends in August 11. So please make an opinion there. Please check the link given on the description below and give your valuable opinion and feedback on this EIA 2020. We don't need this.